How to get Discord on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Discord on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and search for Discord download. Tap on it and there you can see Discord's official link. Open your Discord's official link, and after you're on this page, you can directly head over to discord.com/download as well. And you will land on this page. Scroll down till you find this button that says download for Windows. After you tap on that, your Discord should get downloaded. You'll see the setup.exe file. Open that up. Simply open it up. It might take some time, so just wait for it. And while you wait, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So there you can see the setup file is now open. So yeah, let's again wait for it. And as you can see, it's installing and it's almost done. Now it will start downloading its update and it will do everything at once itself. And after it does that, all you need to do is actually just log into your account. And yeah, that's basically how you get Discord on your PC. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.